If you are getting a P0417 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0417. It indicates that the ECU has detected the flow from the secondary air injection system to be out of specification. The P0417 code often causes the following symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, on. This is the most common symptom, often accompanied by a failed emissions/smog test. Rough idle or stall. The engine may run roughly at idle or stall, particularly if the EGR valve is stuck open. Engine hesitation/surging, poor acceleration or hesitation when pressing the gas pedal. Engine knocking/pinging. Increased combustion temperatures due to lack of EGR can cause detonation, spark knock, under load. Reduced fuel economy, the engine may run less efficiently. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with the WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the cleaned EGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back in the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use the WD-40 cleaner to clean up the crud inside the intake manifold, and wipe it well to make sure all the carbon buildup is now removed. Reinstall the intake manifold back after the cleaned intake manifold is dried. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0417 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.